guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I got Smartass and Sass for June. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So June's Smartass and Sass box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, Smartass and Sass is my favorite all-time monthly subscription box. I just love it. They have 3 different options. They have a shirt only, so if you want to just get the snarky, sassy shirt every month, you can do that. You can do the goods only, has no shirt, but all of the other amazing products, or the mega box, which has everything, the products and the shirt. But this box is so cute. These are their newer boxes, so colorful. Be gentle with my box, fragile. So let's get this opened. Ooh, it's a little top heavy on that side, or side heavy. So that's what it looks like down inside. All right, let's get the card. Here is the card. This month's theme is wild and free. That definitely does look very wild and free. Look at that. Especially with all those flowers, like in a flower field, the butterflies, so pretty. So down inside of here, we'll go over all of the information that is in the box. They also do time to time, give you some recipes. They'll give you just like a lot of information so you can go through and read through that. And let's go with the shirt first. So we do have like this mustardy kind of color this month, and it says, see you on the flippity flip. What? See you on the flippity flip. And it has like the little bus. That is so cute. So this is this month's shirt. So again, whatever one you would have received, everybody would get the same style, same color, but you do choose your shirt size, and you can choose from an extra small all the way to a 3XL, and they're unisex soft blended tees. They are super, super soft. This is almost like the only shirts that I wear. Like I live in these shirts all the time. They're super, super soft and comfortable. So now we have a, you on the flippity flip. Now let me see what it says, because sometimes it'll say a little something about the shirt for the month. It says, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm on my way. I know what I bring to the table, and let me tell you, I'm not afraid to eat alone. Nope. So you can either fly with me or you can stay here. Either way, I'll catch you on the flippity flip, better off than I was before. Hell yes. So let's start with this first thing right here. And this is the Bang Light Headband. It says stay wild. That is super, super cute. These also help with like holding back sweat, I've noticed, because I was wearing one when I was painting things yesterday. I was painting wood for the coop area, and it like, I took this off and this thing was soaked, and I was like, oh, all of that would have just kept dripping down my face like everything else. But at least it did help like kind of retain a lot of my sweat. So I really liked that. So it's by Junk, and it says, Stay Wild Junk Headband. This exclusive Smartass and Sass and Junk collaboration features Junk's technical t-shirt fabric, specifically designed to keep you cool, paired with our inspiring June mantra, Stay Wild. Machine washable, and it's 89% polyester and 11% spandex. You can find this at Smartass and Sass's shop, and it's valued at $16.99. Now, if you guys do want to shop their shop, you do not need a subscription. You can find all of their shirts and hilarious items singly. You can buy them for yourself or gift ideas. And if you want to shop their shop, 20 off Sass will give you 20% off their shop. So let me take this off. So you have the back that's folded like that, and then the front is like that. And I love the color, you know, anything blues, I'm all for. So that is super cute. And again, that is valued at $16.99. And I like that it will like take your sweat out. And oh, you know what? I think it would match this, like if you wore these together, because it kind of has like that goldish color in the flower with those. That would even probably match. Now we have, this is almost the same kind of color scheme too. It says life update. I'm hungry again. Oh my gosh, that's my man. He's hungry all the time. He could text me like 10:30 in the morning and be like, what's for lunch? I'm like, didn't you just eat breakfast like an hour or two ago? I'm like, you must have a tapeworm or something because you're always fucking hungry. But here is this case. Oh, it's silverware. No wonder why it's saying I'm hungry again. That's what's in there. I can get the top off. Oof, okay. And then you have your silverware down inside. So you have your knife, your spoon, and your fork. And then you have this case to keep it all in. It says Hungry Wheat Straw Utensils. So they're made out of wheat straw. They feel like they're plastic and it's wheat straw. That's cool. Stash this handy eatery bundle in your desk or in your bag. This travel utensil set is made of eco-friendly wheat straw and includes a fork, a knife, and a spoon. It is also dishwasher safe. You can find this from Smartass Sass, and it's a $10.95 value. But that is really neat. You never know when you need some utensils, especially if you're gonna go like just sit at the park or by the water, have your lunch. You can always bring this and you can use that. You clean them and they're ready to go for the next time. That is really neat. And then, ooh, okay, I see you. There's a mug that my man kind of took over, and it was a black and white one that I got for, I believe it came from this box. I'll show you. I believe it came from this box. I'm almost 99.9% sure. But that one my man uses all the time because it's just black and white. And I'm always like, I see it, but then I grab mine. I'm like, okay, fine, that could be your mug. But now I have my own that'll kind of look similar as far as like the little speckled, but mine says untamed as fuck. Hell yeah. I sure as fuck am. And that is a big size mug too. Like if you can see that, that is a really, really good size mug. Okay, so this is Untamed as Fuck mug by Smartass Sass, of course. It's a 15-ounce ceramic mug. Is perfect for those early morning sips of coffee or those pre-bedtime teas. Or add a little something something any time of the day. Microwave safe, hand wash for a longer lifespan. The mug, not you. How cute. Lifespan of the mug, not you. You got to make sure you say that. Someone might think, ooh, I can wash this and I get to stay longer. No, bitch. Untamed as fuck. And of course, my favorite color. So, I love this. I drink coffee every single day, so the more the merrier. Oh, I kept this here so I can tell you guys, I have no clue. My brain definitely sometimes does not see the correct images when I'm trying to read something. This does say measure once, cuss twice. When I was so excited thinking it said cut twice, and people are like, that says cuss twice, Tracy. I'm like, oh, I literally came and grabbed this and I was like, oh shit, it does. So sorry, it does say cuss twice. That's just me. If I have a video go without not one thing wrong, then that's when you need to worry. That's when you need to worry. All right, so now we have, is this like a sunglass case? It's Always Sunny in Bitchville. And then it says Smartass Sass on that side. And then it's Always Sunny in Bitchville. And then when you open it up, it's nice and lined inside so you can keep your glasses nice and safe. It's very colorful too. I like that. So this is by Smartass Sass, Bitchville Sunglass Case. Bring it down to Bitchville, where the sun is always shining and we're kicking up our feet. No time for cloudy days here. This hard shell case is perfect for tucking away your sassy shades while keeping them perfectly safe and scratch-free. You can find it from Smartass Sass, and it's valued at $12.95. I think that's just so cute though, all the little like comic type things, and they have like different glasses on. That's a really cute case, and you can definitely keep them protected. I have so many glasses that we receive and they don't have any type of a case or a protectant, nothing. So that's really cool to get because now I can at least protect one of them. That is again valued $16.99. Okay, so now we have a bag here. It says zero waste samples inside. Busy go. Let's get this open and see. Let's see what's in here. Yes. Let me cut the top. Okay, let's see what's inside of here. Alrighty, so we have, this is caffeine and collagen large body wipe. Brighten, hydrate, and firm dry skin. So there's that big one. Then this one says age-defying face wipe. Soothes and moisturizes sensitive skin. And then this last one says a deodorant wipe. Cleanse and deodorize. Get the funk out of here. So here's a little 3-piece set of different wipes that you can use. Definitely right now in this heat with this nasty summer, these would probably be good to have, at least toss somewhere, gym bag, your car, wherever, and you can have them. That says Busy Co body wipes. Busy Co believes women should look and feel their best with the freedom to freshen up as they see fit, whether it takes 5 minutes or 5 hours. These biodegradable wipes are packed with natural ingredients that are good for women Earth and all womankind. Starting at $9, you can get this at www.getbusy.com. Use code WILDFREE for 20% off of their shop. So I guess you can get all kinds of different wipes and stuff. But again, that's really neat to have. At least you have these little samples of 3 different ones so you can have on the go. That's really neat. All right, so up next we have Serious Big... Oh, Bug. See, I was just going to roll with big stuff. It's bug stuff. What the fuck? Serious Bug Stuff. I almost said big again. Jesus. Okay, so this says this is an all-natural, grease-free, simple way to keep the biting bugs at bay is by our friends at Serious Lip Balm. Their amazing bug stuff glides on like a balm in a tube that keeps you bug-free for hours. Contains sweet almond oil, shea butter, some kind of a wax, a beeswax, a coconut oil, and essential oils, valued at $9. You can visit SeriousLipBalm.com and use code SeriousShit for 10% off their shop, plus a free lip balm with purchase. Ooh, this is really neat. And I always stress going in my garden, now being outside with the chickens. Like even yesterday painting, I'm so bit up by mosquitoes. Mosquitoes think I have like sugar in my veins or something. I swear, if there's a mosquito within a mile of me, it's going to bite me within 2 seconds. And you want to find a mosquito? Look near me. You'll find them. So I'm literally bit up all over down to my feet. Even like this, I have a scar here from when I'm scratching. I have them all over here, which you can't see because of my tattoos, but I literally have mosquito bites all over. So for this, I'm probably going to leave this outside with like my little area where I have all my sunscreens and my sunglasses and that kind of thing. So I can start just like putting this on, at least like my arms to protect me would be great. And I like the fact that it's in a balm, like kind of and a stick, kind of like a deodorant stick. So you just wipe it on you. Ooh, and it smells nice. It does smell nice. So with that almond, the sweet almond and the shea butter, it smells really nice too. It definitely does not smell like any type of like a bug product because some of those smell really bad. This smells really good. And this is again valued for $9. So I'm super glad to have that. Something I definitely need, let me tell you. All right, so next let me remove this plastic. All right, so this is what was down inside and it says clean AF. Let me remove this so you don't see like all the glare. So right here, this one here says Frisky Travel Bottles by Smartass and Sass. Stay clean, jelly bean, pump and rub vigorously. Pump and rub vigorously. This handsy set of 9 pieces includes 2 capped bottles, 1 spritz bottle, 1 pump bottle, 2 tubs, 1 dropper, and 1 scraper, all contained in a PVC travel bag, valued for $9.95 that you can find on Smartass and Sass's shop. That is really, really neat. I've never seen a travel accessory little kit like this with all of these components. How this one here is just you pull the top and you push it out. So it says squeeze me on there. Great for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, anything like that. You have a pump me. This would be great for your lotions. You have a squirt me. So if you have something in there that you wanted to squirt, even like a detangler, something like that, you can squirt me in here. Not me, literally, but you know, squirt me, it says on there. This one says pinch me. Don't literally come and pinch me. It's a little squeeze type bottle as well. You do have these 2 smaller ones and they say rub me and dab me. You do have this little thing, so if you do stick like a moisturizer or like a mask or something in there, you can use this to get it out. And then if you do put like a serum or something in one of these bottles, you can use this little, like a little dropper. That is really neat. I've never seen anything like this. I definitely always hang on to little travel bottles for when I do travel. Sometimes they come in handy for other things if I just need something small. So I really, really enjoy having these. And I think this is super cute because they're different. You have the pumps, the squeeze, the spritz. You have these little tiny doodads with this little, you know, the little dropper thing. And then they all just fit nice in this little bag. So I think that is really neat. I might have to cut that little flippity flap thing off, but that is really neat. And again, this kit is valued at $9.95. Okay, so it looks like there's one item left in here, and that is right here. It says, I was born to be wild, but only till 9 p.m. or so. Oh my gosh. I wish, like, I normally don't even go to bed before midnight. I have so much stuff to do. I just always have so much stuff to do with editing or cleaning or anything late at night. Like, I never go to bed at any good, decent hour. I hope one day I can, because, yes. So it has this little thing here that you just remove and hit yourself in the face with, or not. This one here says born to be wild threaded towel. Ooh, and that is really pretty. I thought it was going to just look like this, but then they threw out a different little design at the end, and there's a fringe. So this is, turns out this threaded towel has an endless summer of convenient uses. Sitting blanket, sun shawl, drying towel. Take this multi-purpose textile with you on any trip. 35.4 by 70.8, 80% cotton, 20% poly, machine wash on delicate with cool or cold water, and then air dry. This can be found at Smartass Sass's shop, and it's valued for $26.95. So yeah, you can use this for several different things. And it's really good to have, like, toss it in your car if you want to go sit somewhere. It's a good size too. Look at this. Ooh. And then it has the fringe and the color on each end. That is really neat. So that is everything that came in this June box, you guys. You have this towel blanket multitasker over here. You have this neat set for travel bottles or to use them for any type of bottles. You have the bug stuff to help with bugs, a sunglass case. You have a wipe set. You have a container with silverware, a headband, a really nice mug, and the t-shirt. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for this June box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that were in here? What do you think of Smartass and Sass? Let me know down below. If you want a little bit more information about Smartass and Sass, I will let you know right about now. I do have them linked down below. You can follow that link to go check out their boxes or any of their shop items. Again, if you do shop their shop, 20 off Sass will get you 20% off. That's not for the subscription boxes though. That's just for the individual shop items. So if you want to go to a subscription, the shirt only, where you get just the shirts, it is $19.95. And again, they are extra small to 3XL soft blended unisex tees. Or you can go to the box. The box is $39.95. You get 5 to 7 full-size items of hilarious brands. You get no t-shirt in that though. You get all of the other goods, just no t-shirt. If you want the big box like they send me, you get the goods and the shirt. This one starts at $54.95, and all of them you can save more money if you prepay for a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. Shipping is an additional charge, and that is that, you guys. I absolutely love this box. No matter what, I love this box. So that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.